Good morning, traders. I'm reaching you here on Sunday. This is for the trade next week, the 18th to the 25th of Sep. Um, Something I probably should have done at some point last week, but I've been doing this for so long that I sometimes get stuck locked in to the contract at hand, and I forget about the rollover. But a little different outside the pit than it has been inside the pit. And for what it's worth, I'm not sure I've seen such a huge gap in cash to premium in any contract in all the years that I've been doing this. And it has much to do with cost of carry. And apparently, these higher interest rates have provided some pretty extensive premiums for the futures contract over the spot cash price. Um, which even kind of baffled me, so to speak, because when I was talking to you last week, I talked about how the price markets were kind of like in that where are we going to go direction. They rolled, came down to all these MAs where they're trying to hold support. More importantly, was at 50% halfway back from this high and this low, so which we held. Then we got the rollover price took everything over all the MAs. Kind of baffled me. So all you could do is trade it, and they held it up above 4,500 earlier in the week. And then, surprisingly, we got two not so favorable inflationary numbers, and the markets rallied, which caught me by surprise, and they just took off. So, not much you can do is just trade it. And Friday, it was like everybody out of the pool, and they just unloaded on it. Probably something that might have occurred over these 2 days. So I really don't know if they rammed them up here so they cancel it. You know what? Once again, it's an extension of price. What is a catalyst to take us higher? And they got the answer. They rolled it yet again with another. And it's just, is this going to be panic? We're just going to have to wait and see. So let's try to take a look at it this way. So we know that December is about 50 basis points above SEP. So now we're sitting at about 4,500. So if you look at it from the point of view from the SEP contract, that would be right down here at 44.50, which was just a little bit above the 50% mark halfway back. I'd be paying attention to that. Okay, we'll see. I'll take a look at the numbers in a second. So, or more importantly, will we hold up right in here? I mean, this could be an aberration. They might come in and they might eat it up again and maybe try to push it higher. I don't know. We'll just have to see how it plays out on Monday. This is quite telling. So, we're going to have to see how it plays in this area. Like I said, it's really right about here, and this is halfway back. I think anything underneath, um, probably about 44.80, uh, would probably be a bit of concern. Give me a second here. Oh, wrong chart. Let's take a look. Let me see if I get. Oh, they haven't calculated the numbers. I could do it. I should have done it on paper. You'll see where they come out on. I would probably watch um, 45.20. We couldn't, you can see right here, we couldn't get over that once we rolled down for the afternoon on Friday. We couldn't get above it. I'd watch that. I'll see if there's a number there. And then what was probably another big number was 30, which played out pretty nicely on Monday and Tuesday. They couldn't get over 30, and they moved a lot between 25 and 20, and anything under 20 they kind of rolled them a little bit, but they couldn't get under 4,500. So let's just see how this plays out. So this is and you can see that all the markets have done the same thing. In fact, it's the first time I think the Dow has held above all the MAs while the others have rolled. So let's see how this plays off on Monday. I'll take advantage of it. So this is kind of your activity for the coming up week. Basically, we'll see how this comes up on Sunday morning, or probably about 5 o'clock today. We'll see what they look like overnight, which way they're going to push it. Will they follow through on the damage being done here? I mean, the market's at about already at 10:30 when Europe closed. The damage was already done. So, I don't know. You don't know if people have been caught in long. I got numbers here in Nasdaq. Why don't I got numbers in the ES? Go figure. All right, we'll take a look at it later. If I see something that changes and I think it's informative, I'll share with you guys. I hope you guys are doing well trading this, taking advantage of the opportunities. Once again, if you got any questions, reach out to me. I'm not going to be doing this during the day or daily. If you need some help in terms of a strategy or a plan, reach out to me. I can work something out more on a one-to-one basis. My email is somewhere in there, or just pop something in a comment box in regards to what you think and what you might need. So enjoy the rest of the weekend. Enjoy the football games this afternoon, and have a great day. Take care, traders.